spicy fried tilapia, washed and cleaned. So we are going to marinate this. This is our number 1 step, and I'm using garlic, 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilies, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. So we are going to use this to marinate, and just marinate it really well with this mixture. I'm using kitchen scissor to cut this in half, the bigger pieces, and then I'm going to cut these in half. So it's been cut in half, and we're just going to leave this on side for 15 minutes. This is our second part of recipe. What we need: finely chopped onions, garlic 2 tablespoons, finely chopped tomatoes, finely chopped green chilies, and finely chopped cilantro, crushed coriander 2 teaspoons, red chilies crushed 1 teaspoon, and 5 to 6 red chilies. So that's all we need for our second part of recipe. So we'll be making sauce with this. I am going to be frying the fish outside in the backyard. Beautiful weather today. Fry my fish outdoors, not to have that fishy smell inside the house. I don't have too much oil in here. This is the oil I have right now, and I'm going to fry my fish in shallow oil, not deep frying. So I put it on medium. So heat is on medium, and I'm adding my fish. I'm frying this on medium. We just want to make sure it gets cooked inside, even though fish does not take long to cook, but we still want to make sure that it is fully cooked inside. I'm going to turn it over. We want to make sure that our fish is brown like this, and I'm cooking it on medium-high flame. So I'm taking it out in this bowl. As soon as they're looking like this, I'm putting it in this bowl. I'm done frying the fish, and the same oil is in this fry pan. I'm going to add it here a little bit, like maybe 2 tablespoons of oil. So what we're going to do is start with garlic. Our garlic is a little bit brown. I'm going to add those chopped onions, all of it. We're just going to saute this just like that. We are going to add our masala and just brown it for 2 minutes. And after this, we are going to add our tomatoes. Now we are going to add our finely chopped tomatoes in this. Sauteing the tomatoes and onions. I'm not adding any water. And a little bit of oil. And now what I'm going to do is, we have some masala left over that we marinated the fish in, this one. So what we are going to do is add this masala to this. Now I'm adding 4 tablespoons of water. We will cook this till the tomatoes are well done. And I'm cooking it on low. Now I'm going to add the green chilies. My God, this smells so good. Now we are going to add cilantro. Half of it we are going to add now, and half we are going to keep to garnish. So our mix is done. We want this to have a little bit of juice in it. We don't want to dry it completely. And now what we are going to do is add this mix to our fried fish. So I added the mixture that we made on top of the fish, and that's how it's looking. I hope you liked today's recipe. Please do subscribe to our channel, thumbs up, and stay blessed.